Hello and welcome to DumbphonesUK. My name's Joseph and I am not even looking at a phone today. Why am I wasting your time? Well, I quite like more intentional tech. So today we're going to be looking at something a little bit different. This is the Flashback V2 camera. It's made to look like a disposable camera, but actually this sends the photos to a smartphone. I paid for this at the start of October. It cost me £89, I think is what I paid for it. And I've not opened it. It was a pre-order. It arrived in December. And so I'm going to unpack this. Now I've got a little bit of time over the festive period. This has a 13 megapixel? It's got a 13 MP sensor. We all know what that means. You can transfer your photos to a PC, Mac, phone by USB-C, and it's got a rechargeable battery. So today we're going to unbox this. We're going to see a couple of kind of initial test photos. I've never used it and I'm really intrigued. I believe that on the app I can pick whether the photos arrive 24 hours after or whether they arrive straight away, maybe, but we'll find out together. While I've got you, please do like, please do subscribe. If you like, if you subscribe, it means that I can buy more things like this. Yeah, I pay for everything. Ooh, my bank balance isn't happy, but it does mean that I can keep bringing you more videos. It helps me, it helps you. It feels like a really good deal. So if you could please subscribe, that'd be so useful. So let's just hop in and unbox this, I'd say. So here we have the box, and this is the part that I'm bang up for. No distractions. This is something that this channel is all about. The camera itself. That's the camera. And let's have a little look what's under here. We have our USB cable, which also has a lightning connector, so USB to lightning. And I believe, if I'm able to, we also have USB to USB-C. Within here, we also have a USB adapter as well. That's pretty handy. They realised that not everybody has USB-C. And here, stickers, old school stickers. So we have our camera, nice and simple. Just have our view here. We have this to scroll on. Okay, so it's number 27. I'm going to turn the flash on. I'm going to click it. Okay, nothing has happened as of yet. What does that mean? That means it's ready. Does that mean we're ready to take the photo? Let's try. Okay, I'm going to need to spend a bit more time figuring out what is going on. Okay. Turns out that I made it work unintentionally. So we're on photo 26. So I've now wound this on until it can't wind anymore. And I am going to click this button. The camera's here, so it's not going to be a great photo. But you can see this moves to 25. I'm currently running the Unihertz Titan 2. I've hopped into the Play Store and I'm going to download the relevant application. So here it is. So install. Allow. I'm going to have to create an account. So it is saying no cameras nearby. So bring your camera nearby and move the winder. Bang. Great. And then within this, it's telling me the battery percentage. It's telling me unload to lab, change film type, self-timer. Let's go unload to lab. Use a temporary hotspot, use USB cable, or use home network. I'm going to try the device hotspot option and see what happens here. Please keep the app open and your phone unlocked as it just goes through. And the camera currently is still on. Film has been unloaded. Done. Photo. Ah, okay. So 24 hours remaining to show me the results of this. So more. Ah, okay, so I currently have it set to film camera mode, digicam mode. I'm actually going to, for this, I think it's better that we do a digicam mode version. I'm going to take some more photos on this. We'll be back in a sec. Great, so I have gone away and I've taken 9 photos. On my travels, I did learn that moving this to the right enables the flash, and when that light is on, the flash is working. Move it back to the left, the flash is then turned off. In terms of the photos that I took, I didn't leave the house, so they're not going to be massively exciting. I will take it out and do some more in a second. My camera. Unload to lab. I'm going to go device hotspot. I didn't change any of the settings as well, just while it does this. I just did the most basic out of the box option to go and take these photos. I'm expecting now to see my photos here. To view my photos, I've clicked view. Oh, great. This is fun. So you can view them on the screen. So that's of a plant. I really like the aesthetic of these photos. There I am. There's the phone that I'm viewing this on. Okay, I can't zoom in on the app. There I am taking a photo in a mirror, sort of MySpace style. Here is my box of phones. My box of phones that I've got. You might spot something you like in there. I took one with the flash, one without the flash. So I like these photos. These photos are great that I've taken. I'm happy with these. I'm going to save these to my camera roll. I'm going to allow access, and they have been saved to my camera rolls. You can now see within my photos, and I can zoom in a bit more on these ones. You can see that's all working. That works super easy. Okay, I'm going to throw those photos in. You can have a look at them. As a little bonus, when I ordered, they were offering a free case with it. I took them up on the leather case. So this is a nice leather case. Little magnet there. Inside, it's got a little strap. Okay, perfect. And this just sits in the case like that. So there might be some days where I don't want to take this absolute beast of a phone out with me when I want to get some photos. Say I'm off to see some friends, and I'm going to grab this instead, and I'm going to grab my flashback camera, and we're going to take some photos. Other thing I'm going to do while we're here is I'm going to change the film type as well. Basically, this phone is a square aspect ratio. This button allows me to put it into a normal aspect ratio, so that's what I'm doing just to see these. So I can choose this film type, I can choose black and white. There's sort of a couple of, there's 4 different options there. Actually, I quite like this one. If you've enjoyed this video, please like, please subscribe, please comment. It'd be lovely to have you chatting away, asking me to take photos of certain things. Nothing, we'll leave that there. Please do like, please do subscribe. It would be lovely to have you on the channel. So there we have it. That was the Flashback V2 camera, and I really like it. I love nostalgia, I love disposable film, I love all of those things, but I fully appreciate disposable film, things like that are super expensive nowadays. And I'm not saying this is cheap. As I mentioned earlier, this cost me £89, but in theory, it should be endless, right? As long as nothing goes wrong, I should be able to take photo after photo after photo of this when I don't want to use my phone, when I want the aesthetic to look a little bit different, when I want to be the person who's a bit quirky at a party and has a disposable camera. All of those things can be true. And I really, really like what Flashback have offered. Sure, some of the photos don't look as good as an absolutely top-of-the-range iPhone, or even, in some cases, not top-of-the-range phone. But there's something quite nice about that. I do really like more intentional tech, things that get you off your phone. So I really like the idea behind this. As this was an unboxing and initial thought, I'll give you a longer-term review in a month or so. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully see you soon. Bye-bye.